Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced: the issue of blank space between elements on a web page. This problem can be a major headache, especially when you try to create a clean and professional looking design. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky spacing problem. The trick here is to use the CSS property called margin. By adjusting the margin of an element, you can control the space around it and ensure that there are no unexpected gaps messing up your layout. This simple solution can make a world of difference in achieving the precise design you're aiming for. Remember, the key to mastering the art of spacing in web design is to understand how margins work. By strategically adjusting the margins of different elements, you can ensure a cohesive and visually appealing layout that keeps everything neatly aligned. To wrap it up, tackling the challenge of blank space between elements on a web page is all about harnessing the power of CSS margins. With a bit of fine-tuning and attention to detail, you can say goodbye to those pesky gaps and hello to a beautifully balanced design. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your favorite web design hack. Until next time, happy coding!